Willmott Dixon is a construction company that has consistently innovated to become more sustainable. This process has developed a culture of innovation that delivers a strong competitive advantage. But how?
Actually, my take on sustainability is it's not about stuff, it's about people, it's about culture change, it's about winning hearts and minds, about understanding what's getting into people's heads so they understand what's in it for them. And only by changing those mindsets will we embed it so that we can keep getting better and better.
Government regulations, industry standards and customer demands are all increasing the pressure on construction companies to become more sustainable. But Willmott Dixon staff feel the real driver for change is much closer to home.
I don't think a lot of those demands come through from our customers. I think they come through internally. I think we demand a lot of ourselves in the business. So we want to be innovating, we want to be doing things differently because it's competition with our competitors, and our customers see what we're doing and they like it.
As most of the carbon emissions in a construction site are produced by the supply chain, Willmott Dixon work very closely with them to help them become more sustainable.
First has been hotspotting our supply chain and understanding where the opportunities are, and then using our own experience in terms of minimising our waste and carbon and taking that experience and hand-holding and working with members of our supply chain.
These EcoMax cabins provide the most sustainable on-site accommodation available. They use advanced telemetry to gather the usage data that will enable the next phase of innovation. This constant striving for improvement is a vital competitive advantage for Advanti, the company that builds them.
And we see it as a challenge. We see it a way of meeting the market is by developing the products, developing the technologies to put us ahead of others, and that gives us a unique selling point, but also gives our client what he's after.
Like Willmott Dixon, Advanti stress the importance of building strong relationships throughout the supply chain and a shared culture of innovation to gain competitive advantage through sustainability.
We're not a company that sits in the office and just sends orders out. We go and see suppliers, we work with suppliers, the design is debugged by our own engineers, so we'll go to a supplier, we'll work through what needs to be done, we'll look at his supply chain, we'll even work with the supply chain to adapt various materials or products to meet our needs.
So sustainability is not just a box-ticking exercise or a troublesome burden. It is a vital component of building a successful business in the future of the construction sector. For more information on sustainable construction, visit willmottdixon.co.uk.